The boundaries of the triangle of auscultation is not formed by one of the following structures. We are talking about a triangle. At the back, sixth intercostal space, where you can hear the respiratory sounds very well. So you have a triangle here and triangle here. So let us look at the boundaries of this triangle. Okay. So here you have the lateral border of the trapezius, you have the medial border of the scapula, and you have the upper border of the latissimus dorsi. So can you see that scapula is the bone here, trapezius is the muscle here, and the latissimus dorsi is the muscle here. So the auscultatory triangle has three borders. Obviously it's a triangle. So the answer here is going to be D. Okay. So what forms the triangle? You have the trapezius, scapula, latissimus dorsi.